Birthday goose. Which is the fastest migration bird? Great. What is the speed of migratory hummingbird? 79 km per hour. Which bird migrates from UK to Africa? Willow warbler. Which is the smallest migration bird? American woodcock. Which bird is the champion of migration in the world? Arctic terns. Which migratory bird can fly backward? Hummingbird. What are the types of migration? Internal migration, external migration, immigration. Which bird can fly 320 km per hour? Peregrine falcon. Which is the smallest migratory bird? Hummingbird. When was World Migratory Birds Day celebrated? 10th October. What percentage of the bird species migrate in the world? 14%. Which bird lays the biggest egg? Ostrich. What is the theme of the World Birds Day 2020? Birds connect our world. Which bird has no feather? Ray. Where does the Arctic tern migrate for the southern summer? Antarctica. Which is the highest altitude migration bird? Bar-headed goose. How high can bar-headed goose fly? 9,000. Which bird flies to a warmer climate in winter? Red-winged blackbird. Which is the longest migration bird in the world? Arctic tern. Which bird cannot walk? Loons and geese. Which bird is known as symbol of peace? Dove. Which bird is called as king of birds? Eagle. Which is the fastest bird? Peregrine falcon. Which is the largest and heaviest bird? Ostrich. Which is the most dangerous bird? Cassowary. Thank you.